In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to recover your files from formatted pen drive or the memory card in just few minutes. Coming up. Hi everyone, I am Harshvardhan and welcome to another superb episode. And in today's episode, I am going to show you a simple trick using which you can recover the files from your formatted pen drive. Sometimes inadvertently, we delete some files or even format our pen drive or the memory card. And later on, we realize that it has our important files like images, PDFs and other video files, etc. Then don't panic in that case. The trick I'm going to show you in this video is going to help you recover all those files very easily. And before we go any further, please do subscribe to this channel if you have not already subscribed. And to subscribe, just click the big red button below this video and don't forget to click the bell icon as well. That way you'll not miss any new video from this channel. Having said that, let's get started.
Now you can see this is the pen drive on my PC, and if I open, it has these files, and you can see these are some files. Some is a video file, some is a document, and some is a JPEG and PDF file and the audio file. Alright, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to format it. So I'll right click and select format, and I will select start, and I will set start OK or press OK, and it's going to take a little time and it's formatted. Okay, let me close this one and let me open up and show you that it has nothing at the moment. All right, and now what you have to do, you need to go to your browser and just type recover and search, and click on this link, probably the first link, and download the free version of recover. It has the pro version as well, but download the free version, that would be sufficient. All right, and it shows some of the features of it. It has some free version and the paid version, but we'll go for the free version. Okay, so click on the free download and you can download from these links. And once you click it, download this once again, downloading, and once you have downloaded it, just open this up and install the recover 1.53 setup, and thereafter just click the run setup, and it will open up this screen, and then press next, and here you can choose which files you want to recover. You can choose all files, or specifically if you want to recover the JPEG or other files, you can select from there. I'll select for all files and then I will press next, and from here you can decide your location from where you want to search. Okay, so it has different locations. I'll go for this one on a specific because I know that, and I'll browse my pen drive on my PC. So this is the pen drive, and I will press OK, and let me show you once again that this pen drive is still empty. It has nothing in this. So I'll press OK, and then I'll press next and enable deep scan. That's very important, otherwise it may not recover the files, and then press start, and it will take a little while to process this and find the files for you, and I will resume the video once it finds the files. And here we go, it has found these files. All right, so I'll go for the switch to advanced mode, and if I click on the JPEG file, so it's going to show us the preview, and if I click on the other files like video, it's not going to show us the preview. All right, so it doesn't show the preview for other files, so only for the JPEG file. So I'll select all, and then I will press the recover. I'll go to the bottom, which is over here, and it's going to show us or choose a folder where we can, if I create a new folder, it's not allowing me, so let me choose another location which is over here and create a new folder and press OK. And now it's going to again take a little while to recover those files for you. And now you can see successfully we have recovered these files. So I'll press OK, and this is the location from where we have extracted or recovered these files. So all of these files are available right now, you can see. And if I just double click on this video file, let's see if it plays. Yes, it plays. It's very good condition. And if I open this document, Word document, let's see whether it is in a fine condition or not. Yes, it is also opening, so it's also perfectly fine. Let me play this audio and choose the program, press OK. Okay, now it's also working. I can hear the sound. I have muted this in the video. And these are some two other files which were not there while we formatted, but it has also recovered those files. So that's how we can easily recover the files from the formatted pen drive or the memory card very easily.
So thank you so much. I hope you have found this video useful. If you did, hit the like button. If you did not like the video, hit the dislike button. If you have any question or if you want to say something, you can leave that in the comment section below. So thank you so much. Bye bye. See you in the next episode. Till then, keep shooting and unleash creativity. Bye bye.